WeBreak Hip-Hop Dance Company. We're out here for our first Soul Evolution of the fall session 2022. This is your boy Doms, aka Coach Dom. You already know what's up. We're out here, the kids are getting down, adults are getting down. We're about to start our best combo battle right now. No, we're not talking about the West LA area coordinator. We're talking about something completely different. Most continuous flow, best moves, best transitions, most dynamic, all of that stuff. This is the hard stuff. This isn't beginners. This is next level. These kids are coming for you. Watch out. Yes, let's go ahead and make the announcement. All right, we are about to begin our combo battle. Listen up, everybody. The way this is going to operate, it's going to operate like a cipher. Anybody can jump in. It doesn't just have to be crew. Make sure you're not hogging the cipher. We're going to give you guys about 15 minutes of undisturbed time to come in and do a combo. Let's go, Freddie. Let's go. Let's go, Freddie. Airwalk.
Oh.
Windmill.
Let's go, Freddie.
Blow up. Reverse. Oh. Windmill.
Woo, let's go. Yeah.
Nice. Keep it flowing. Nice. Good combo.
Let's go, Freddie.
Oh,
Jack's house.
Oh.
Yeah. There you go.
Let's go, JJ.
Let's go. Oh.
Let's go, Asgard.
Go. Oh. Oh. Keep going. White. That's white. Spin.
Woo, let's go.
Slow-mo.
Let's go, Flomo.
Oh.
There you go.
Keep it flowing. Keep it flowing. Nice. With the golden shoes.
There you go.
Flomo.
Hey. There you go.
Oh, it's still going.
Ooh.
Nice.
Let's go, Mick.
Oh, let's go, Mix.
We got mix one.
Oh, let's go.
Newest member of West LA. Nice.
Go, Mix. Hey.
Oh, go Kaido. Oh, air swipe, halo, windmill. Flare.
Oh.
Head spin. Oh, he's still going. Stack it up.
Everybody guess who I be putting checks up, even when the rest do. Ain't nobody next up, ain't nobody next to. Moment that I ain't up, recognize the I be getting extra, places like the best of. People see the homeboy, and they be like, oh snap, then they be like, oh boy, shout the Japanese cats, chillin', watching old boy. People in New Orleans, chillin', eating po' boy.
Yeah.
Used to be had no voice, you can see that's another boy. Not to be like I am, I'ma be like yo, soy. Now I'm making big noise, man, making big noise. Now I be the big noise, see I be the big noise. These some gon' rise, open your eyes and keep on on me. These some gon' rise, open your eyes and keep on on me. Open your eyes and keep on on me. Keep them focused, keep them on me.
Watch me now.
rescue, hipper than hat shoe, then bless you, I'll be in the lab, dude. My respect, dude, I should get a tattoo with a chest, dude. Monkey, that's a bad bone, that's my nephew. Funky in the bathroom, that's the restroom. Waved in the back room with the guest fools. I'll be on the avenue, making chest moves, don't be getting stressful. Time to get forgetful, rapping for the fresh fuel, whipping up the fresh foods. Beard like Moses, kicking with the opposition and the posers. Lengthy going here, passing over each and every foe. Wake up and smell the Folgers. I don't wanna hear how it won't work. That just mean the whole earth hasn't done their homework early on that year.